No, it's okay. We can put the windows down for this one. I think there's an exhaust on this, huh?
Oh yeah, it is, dude. It's sick.
It's a 2024.
It's beautiful, man.
Why
Yeah,
did they
I was off. I was off on that.
Oh shit.
We just got this one. Like,
really?
I mean, just got it. Yeah.
Dude, I actually might. It's got 8,000 miles.
It's a brand new car, bro.
And it's still in warranty too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's brand new.
Oh, it's so weird. It has the
the little thing on there. So foot on brake.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
It's got some touchy brakes.
Yeah, I think it's got upgraded brakes or something like that on there. Yeah, and what we'll do is we're gonna take this road over here. We're gonna go right and go back down that road and make a turn, fly on back. Yeah, she's sick, dude. Yeah.
Interesting.
It's got a nice sound to it as well.
It's got heads up and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, man, it is. It's Toyota, you know what I mean? These things last forever. I think the doors are unique too.
Is it modified?
Oh yeah.
It's modified?
I think so. We're gonna pop the hood and take a look.
Interesting.
From what I was getting, I do believe so. And then look down there. Let me see if we see anything.
No, it's good.
Nah, you're good. He was down here the other day because he didn't like what I was doing. Yeah, open her up.
It sounds good, but
yeah,
it's
it does, man.
It's kind of slow.
Put it in manual.
Dude, it's got a turbo.
Yeah.
Oh, that?
You got sport too.
Oh, you can use it. Yeah, I know how to use the shifter and stuff.
I don't know if is it in sport? Put it in there. I think it is.
No, now it's off. Yeah, now it is on.
On.
Yeah.
Okay, there it is.
It's really small. So it's probably like... It's got like anti-lag. Or it feels like it has anti-lag.
Look around.
Is there highway drone?
I didn't notice any of it. I didn't grab tags though, so stay on this back road.
Maybe I'll take you on a hot pursuit.
I don't want to do that, bro.
Turn right. I'll make you U-turn.
They're not going to give you the ticket. They're going to give me the ticket.
Even better.
It's definitely quick though. You know?
Yeah, it's alright. I mean, you guys have to give me something really good for my bet for me to trade it for this.
Yeah, I didn't need that.
Would you?
Yeah.
2025 with 8K miles. I don't mind. I want something different. So if this is it, this is it. I just wanted to see how the performance is.
Good looking car too. Real good looking car.
Yeah, that's okay. You guys gotta make a good deal on this. Honestly, I'm very impulsive, and if you guys take care of the ZDX, I definitely would do something with this.
Yeah.
It sounds like it has a turbo, for sure. You ever driven a Ferrari?
I have.
Yeah, which one?
I believe it was a Spider.
Oh, nice.
A long time ago, man.
Nice.
My dad used to have a McLaren, so he used to go to like little car shows and stuff like that, and he had to get rid of it, man. He got old, couldn't really get in and out of it, you know. They're tight cars, man, those McLarens. It's tighter than this. I mean, you're like in there, you know. But yeah, I've always wanted a Ferrari. I don't know if I'll ever have one, but I do like it.
I was gonna get a 296.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to Ferrari Orlando and I ran numbers on a 296. After approval, of course, they let me drive it, and man, that thing is wicked fast.
Yeah,
it's
wicked.
Fast.
They're
296.
They're beautiful cars, man. I mean, absolutely
Yeah.
gorgeous. I prefer Ferrari over Lamborghini. I don't think Lamborghinis are all that.
Really?
I'm not a fan. Nah, I think they're pieces of shit.
Really?
Yeah. Not a fan.
I also was gonna get a 720S.
Yeah, Lamborghinis. I like the Corvette. vets a lot.
You do?
Yeah, I'm a big vet guy. I like vets.
Yeah.
Girl, she doesn't want one. Doesn't want me to get one. I like the Lexus. It's good enough for me. If I had a van, I'd probably be in jail or have, you know, shitload of tickets.
Yeah.
I've always had sports cars, man. You know, my very first car was an SLK 230 convertible. I had a Civic in high school. You know, I had that all decked out and shit. And then I moved up to like a Genesis Coupe. Then I had a WRX. And then I had an Accord for a little bit, a Camry, and then I switched back over to went to my Lexus, and I was like, alright, I'm about getting ready to have kids, so I went and got the RDX to have room for kids, but I needed something sporty looking, so I went with the all black RDX. And that's a decent car, man, the RDX. I mean, it's not like fast or anything, you know, but it's got a good pickup to it, you know, good for what I need.
I hear you, bud.
But when I went to get my F-Sport, I was pissed off because I wanted the IS 500.
Nice.
You know, and then they didn't have that, so I was like, all right, well, what about an LC 500? And they didn't have that, so I'm like, well, fuck. Like, you know, at that point, I'm like, fuck it, I'll just get the F-Sport 350.
You know, it's a BMW.
Yeah.
It's like, it has the same knob as a BMW.
Yeah, it is. What you think, man?
I mean, if you guys give me good numbers, I might.
Yeah.
There's a lot of potential to modding this car more. It sounds like it's pretty modded with the turbo spool and everything. I like it. Touchscreen, pretty basic. It's pretty fast.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it's slow, but it's pretty fast. And compared to a vet, but it's a Toyota mixed with a BMW. So I'm interested for sure. Why you say you're not gonna get a Ferrari, or you wish you could get a Ferrari?
I might, man, one day. Cause you know, getting ready to have a family, getting ready to have kids, they're expensive, bro. Kids are expensive.
I'll tell you this.
I got expensive taste. The girls got expensive taste. And when you got expensive taste on both ends, and it applies to everything from eating out.
That guy got expensive taste. He's got a drop top Bentley, Continental. Look, bro. The only solution to expensive taste is just making more money. You could get anything you want in the world if you just make more money.
Yeah, that's why.
So if your girl is like whatever on a car, just say I'll make more money and figure it out later.
Oh yeah.
Money.
You gotta make a lot of money to get one of those though.
What, Bentley or Ferrari?
Ferrari and Bentley. Depending on which one you want.
I mean,
I'm picky.
yeah.
You know?
I think you could do it. I think
so too.
I think
I'll have $1 million before I hit 40. I know that for a fact. I'm really good with my money.
That's good. That's good.
You know, I got a good credit score. I'll be getting my first house.
That's good.
So you know, my mindset right now is like, fuck.
Chris,
I'm coughing up a shitload of money right now, you know?
I promise you'll have a Ferrari as long as you don't add the extra shit, like one day, or maybe, or probably not. It's like, don't add that extra shit. Just say I'm out of a Ferrari. Call it a day. You'll have one. Dead ass.
Yeah.
I know it probably sounds cliche, but you'll have a Ferrari.
Definitely true.
You'll have a Ferrari. And then by the time you can buy a Ferrari, you're probably gonna want something else.
Yeah, exactly.
Because when you have Ferrari money, you can buy anything you want.
You can get whatever, yeah.
Which way do I turn to go from the back road?
I want to go back on that back road?
Yeah.
So get in this left lane right here. And then we're gonna turn left, not at the light, but you'll see a turn coming up.
Chris, how old do you think I am?
You, man, I'm gonna say you're like 27.
I'm 24.
24?
Yeah.
I was thinking 27.
My wife is expecting, and we just got our first house.
That's where I'm at, bro.
Yeah, and I got a 2025 Corvette, and I got we got the ZDX, and I work in personal injury like that guy on the billboard.
Yeah.
So I work in auto accidents, and what I see a lot of is people need money. But it's just because they're putting their mind somewhere else.
It's true, man. A lot of people don't want to work. They just want everything given to them.
But then a lot of people also work and still don't make money.
It's because they would choose the wrong job.
Always remember, put yourself in the right place.
Should be right here.
I think, yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Pretty sure you can't go up there.
Just remember, bro. Just put yourself in the right place. Oh, I don't think that thing's blocked off. I think it's the. I think it's
down that way.
okay. Oh, you know what I mean.
That's why I emailed it.
Turn right here, I believe.
Yeah, go down this way. There should be an opening down here.
Now we're in my hometown, Chevy. I'm a Chevy guy. I like Camaros, I like Corvettes, and I think we have just.
Let's make a U-turn.
Or.
Yeah, come through here. I'm pretty sure we can get. That's the back road, right back road behind there. Yeah, let's go back the other way. That's my fault. It's over by the Toyota.
It's okay. Look at all these trucks. What the hell? Look at all these trucks. All these chickens.
Right there. Down this way. This might take us out.
I want to get a Z06. That's my gold car. But this is pretty sick too.
Blocked off over here.
They do?
We're waiting up. There's the road right there.
Oh shit.
You're good, bro.
No, we're good, bro. Enjoy it. You're on the clock. You enjoy it. Enjoy it. You're on a test drive. They're probably like, yo, these guys are lost. They're in a Supra at a fucking Chevy dealership. Probably, what are these goofy goobers doing?
Like, did we get a new car?
Yeah.
Where did this thing come from? What the fuck?
Hey, buy a Supra.
Buy a Supra?
Yeah. Hey, I would never have a Corvette in my life.
Where are you?
Little do they know, I have a fucking Corvette. Okay, shit, how do we get to that road? Just
Go right.
go right? Okay. Nah, man, life is too precious. Life is way too precious. Just take it easy and simplify shit.
Turn right there.
Right here? Dude, that thing sounds crazy though.
Isn't it nice?
It does sound really nice.
It's got a real nice sound.
And it handles like a go-kart. Shit, it's fire. I'm not even gonna hold you. I love it. You could drive it one hand too.
Yeah, it's smooth, bro.
It's
very
sick.
smooth.
Sounds good.
Very crisp.
Very crisp, huh? Good shit, man. I like it.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's sick.
I appreciate you for being so cool too. Probably because, how old are you?
Me? How old do I look?
Shit, I'm gonna say 25.
25?
Yeah.
You're being nice, bro.
Well, how old are you?
I'm almost 30. I'll be 30 in January.
For real?
Yeah, bro.
Damn, they do say your 20s go by quick, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Shit, I'm turning 25 in a month, so I feel that.
You wanna see something crazy?
Yeah, show me.
This is what gets everybody, bro. That's my girl. How old do you think she is?
Oh, she's about your age, probably?
Yeah?
Well, is she younger or older? I don't know.
Older.
Older? Okay. Chris, I see where you're at.
Yeah.
How old is she?
37, bro.
Nice.
I know.
Very nice. Oh, did I miss a turn? I
Right
did.
up here in the yellow, we're gonna make a U-turn.
Oh, okay, cool. Good shit, man. Actually, I like this. If you guys give me 71 for my car, I'll do it.
We'll see what we can do, man.
I'll do
You
it.
got to pay off on it?
Yeah, I'll tell you all that. But I only owe like 50 on it. I got it brand new for 75, so
I got you.
I put a big money down.
See
So
what we can do.
sick, man. Let's get to it.
Let's park it up here.